Want to make an easy DIY graduation setup? Say no more. Here's what you'll need: backdrop stand and sequin backdrop drapes, Wisteria Flowers and Congratulations banner, gold balloon boxes and alphabet stickers, also latex balloons and string lights. First, hang the black sequin backdrop on the stand. This sets the vibe for the whole setup. Next, build the gold balloon boxes. Super easy. Then stack them up. Stick on your letters. Here we're spelling out Grad 2025. Now, fill those boxes with balloons and toss in a few string lights for that extra pop. Hang the wisteria flowers across the backdrop to add some soft floral detail. Then, assemble your banner using the glue dots and ribbon. Just stick the pieces on, space them out evenly, then hang it right in the center of your backdrop. And there you go, done in minutes. Need more party decor? Check out our website for tons of options. Follow for more, and thanks for watching.